Hello, everyone, and welcome back to JBC English Learning Academy. My name is Laura, and I am here to guide you on your journey to speaking English clearly, confidently, and naturally. If you truly love your mother, then like the video, subscribe to the channel, keep watching the video with faith in Jesus. You will learn something good. And let us know how much you are learning in the comments. Daily home practice that changed my English. You know, when I look back at the days when I couldn't express myself in English, I smile not because it was easy, but because that struggle became my greatest teacher. There was a time when I used to stay silent in gatherings because I was afraid of being judged. I had so many thoughts, so many ideas, but I couldn't find the right words to say them in English. I remember sitting quietly while others spoke confidently, and I thought, maybe English is not for me. But one day, I asked myself a simple question. If others can speak, why can't I? That question changed everything. I realized it was not about talent or luck. It was about daily practice. It was about the small efforts I made every single day, sitting at home away from classrooms and language institutes. I didn't go to an English-speaking school. I didn't attend fancy English courses. I built my English right from my room with nothing more than curiosity, consistency, and courage. Every morning, I promised myself, today I'll learn one new thing. And that one small promise turned into a beautiful journey of self-growth. Let me tell you something. English is not just a language. It's a skill, and every skill grows with repetition, patience, and passion. I started by listening. Yes, just listening. I used to watch English motivational videos, podcasts, and speeches every morning, not to understand every word, but to feel the rhythm, to catch the tone, to hear how confident sounds. I didn't try to memorize sentences. I just allowed my ears to adapt to the language. At first, it was difficult. I didn't understand most of what I heard, but I kept listening, and slowly, my brain started to pick patterns, phrases, expressions. I started understanding not by translation, but by feeling. Then came the second step, speaking to myself. I didn't have anyone to practice with. But that didn't stop me. I became my own speaking partner. I used to stand in front of the mirror, look into my own eyes, and talk. Sometimes I talked about my day, sometimes about my dreams, sometimes about random thoughts. And you know what happened? That mirror became my classroom. I realized that speaking English is not about perfection. It's about it's about letting your heart speak without fear. I made countless mistakes, but I never stopped speaking because every time I spoke, my tongue got stronger, my voice got clearer, and my confidence grew a little more. I also developed a habit of writing one paragraph every day. It could be about anything. How I felt, what I learned, what I was thankful for. This simple writing routine improved my grammar naturally. I didn't memorize grammar rules. I lived them. I saw how words connect, how sentences flow, and how thoughts become powerful when expressed beautifully. At night before sleeping, I used to read aloud. Yes, read aloud from English books, articles, or blogs. Reading aloud trained my mouth to pronounce words clearly. It improved my accents and made me familiar with sentence rhythms. These small habits may sound simple, but together they transformed my English. They became part of my daily life. I didn't wait for motivation. I built discipline. There were days when I didn't feel like practicing. There were days when I thought I wasn't improving. But I reminded myself, even slow progress is still progress. I kept going. I started watching English movies with subtitles. At first, I'd read every line. Then, slowly, I stopped depending on subtitles. I could understand the dialogues naturally. That's when I realized practice changes everything. I surrounded myself with English, my phone language, my playlists, my social media, everything in English. I made English my environment because the truth is you can't something that you are not surrounded by. It doesn't matter where you are. You are. You don't need to go abroad to speak good English. You just need a strong desire and daily routine. Every morning, I had 3 golden minutes of practice. Just 3 minutes. I would look around and describe what I saw. There's a cup on the table. The window is open. I can hear birds singing. That small act trained my mind to think in English. Thinking in English changed everything. Because once your mind starts thinking in a language, speaking becomes effortless. There's one more secret. Don't chase accent. Chase clarity. Many people try to sound like native speakers, but that's not necessary. Your goal is not to sound perfect. Your goal is to be understood. Your goal is to express yourself with confidence and clarity. I used to record my own voice. Yes, I recorded short clips while speaking English and listened to them. It felt strange at first, but it helped me track my progress. I could hear my mistakes, correct them, and grow faster. Slowly, my hesitation faded away. The fear of being wrong disappeared because I realized nobody speaks perfect English all the time. Even native speakers make mistakes. So why should I be afraid? Confidence doesn't come from knowing every word. It comes from the courage to speak with the words you already know. And today, when I speak to thousands of people, I remember those small moments. Talking to my mirror, writing in my diary, listening to English while doing chores. Those invisible efforts became the reason I can express myself today. So if you are sitting at home thinking you can't do it, let me tell you you can. You can become fluent. You can express your heart in English. You just have to believe that your small daily practice is powerful. Start with 10 minutes a day. Watch something meaningful in English. Speak one sentence about your day. Write one paragraph. Read aloud one page. Repeat it every day. Your English will not change overnight, but day by day, word by word, it will grow. Just like a plant that turns into a tree, you'll notice small signs. You'll understand a movie without subtitles. You'll reply in English without translating. You'll dream in English. And one day, you'll look back and smile just like I do. Because English is not about where you studied. It's about how much you practiced when nobody was watching. Let people laugh at your mistakes. Let them correct you. Every correction is a step closer to improvement. Every mistake is proof that you're trying. You don't need expensive courses. You don't need perfect grammar books. You just need consistency, confidence, and curiosity. Remember this: consistency beats intelligence. If you practice daily, even for 15 minutes, you will outgrow people who study once a week. It's not about how long you practice. It's about how regularly you do it. Make English part of your lifestyle. Speak it while cooking, while cleaning, while walking. Read signs in English. Write your shopping list in English. Talk to your pets in English if you have to. Make it fun. Make it natural. Make it yours. And please never compare your journey with anyone else's. Everyone learns differently. Some people learn fast, others take time. But what matters is that you never stop. There's no shortcut. There's only one way: daily home practice. When you practice alone, you're not wasting time. You're building a foundation that no one can see yet. But one day, when you speak confidently, the world will see the results of your silent effort. So start today. Speak even if your voice shakes. Write even if you make mistakes. Read even if you don't understand every word. Listen even when it feels difficult, because every time you do, How Do English is improving silently, slowly, beautifully. And when that day comes, when you finally speak without fear, you'll realize that all those small moments of home practice were worth it. You'll realize that you didn't need a fancy school. You just needed your own determination. And maybe one day you'll inspire someone else with your story. You'll tell them, I learned English at home with no teacher, no institute, just daily practice. So don't wait. Start now. Your English journey is waiting for your first small step. Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about progress. It's not about speaking like others. It's about speaking as yourself. And it's not about how much you know. It's about how much you practice every single day. Thank you so much for joining today's lesson here at JBC English Learning Academy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below telling me what you want to learn next. Your support helps the channel grow and helps me create more lessons for you. Take care, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next class.